Hey guys, so I wanted to give you a quick update to how the game is going. So basically, what I did here, I fixed the whole the walls that will prevent the player to go through any object which it shouldn't. So for example, here I created a wall, a simple object that represents the walls around the map. And it's basically how it's going to work is the player here, this is my player, my character. Whenever he is about to hit the wall, the game engine will prevent him from colliding, and it does that by doing a simple raycast calculation between the view direction of the player and the normal vector of the wall. And so I wanted to show you this. Actually, here is a different mode so that you can see the objects. I'm going to hide the walls so you can see it. So for example, you don't want the character to go through, to hit this object right here or this one. Alright, so this is how the game looks once it is rendered, and I'm going to try to go through a wall, and you're going to see that the game engine will prevent me from doing that. So you see that I cannot go through there. I won't be able to go through here either. However, I am able to go up the stairs, so you can see that. I added a wall here also, so I should not be able to go through this wall right here. So I'm going to add a glass in that section, in that location. So now let me go down the stairs, and I'm going to pick up a gun. Right. So now, if you saw my previous tweet, I showed you how about the door opening. So now I can open it and I can go through the whole hallway.